32 Camry, all three.
Today, don't ignore the knife. We're gonna install. Oh no, fuck! We're not installing anything. We're gonna
rewire them.
Not rewire anything. We're gonna wire the halos.
Man. Look at this prettiness.
We're gonna attempt to figure out that cluster of wires. Get the halos working.
Shut up. Check this out.
Whoa! Educate us, TJ. Show us a good video.
This is not how we do it.
Ali! Don't ever.
Oh my god,
Chill.
you broke it.
No, I didn't.
Ali! Hold on. What I'm gonna do to you is I'm gonna do some magic first. Because everyone loves a magic trick. Ah, fuck. My magic trick's not working. Ah. Ow. 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 Oh. Look how long and beautiful.
No, how to wire halos? Oh, that's the Camry.
You? Oh, I'm bleeding. Look, I'm gonna die. Lead poisoning. I died.
Okay, it's touching it.
I need you to ground this. At the same time, though, I need you to touch that red thing.
Oh, yeah, the little fucking pussy here. You.
Yes, I did. Hold this.
Whoa, they worked.
What?
No, I'm joking.
You fucking fag.
So basically, we figured out, thanks to me, because someone wasn't listening, is that connecting those wires to the green wire, and these wires lead to these oracles here, as you can see, that oracle over there, and those three little lights over there.
Right there.
It's hard to see with the reflection as of yet, but
We'll turn them on. You can see.
here, can you just like go? Can you just flick once
Ali?
towards?
Yeah, hold it. You.
Okay. So we're just gonna show one headlight now. Ali's just gonna turn just the DRL.
Why is it? It's better when we went like this.
There. So that's how the lights are gonna look.
The white one's not shining.
Yeah, the
Oh,
white
because we
ones.
didn't ground it yet.
No.
Yeah. Here.
Here, give me the black
This one.
ground. Yes. So then it'd connect.
Put them both together.
Too much work. There you go.
That's a look, my G. So that's that's how it's gonna look when it's on DRLs. Basically, day running lights. Or if you want to drive at nighttime with that too, you can buy that. There we go.
Very ghetto wire setup. Like extreme ghetto here.
Grounding.
Yeah, look at this.
Ready?
Sure, try it. There you go.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, brother.
Hell yeah.
TJ, I mean, did a decent job with this.
That looks so cool.
Hold that.
What? I can't see. Oh. This.
TJ said we were gonna get this done, and I'm surprised we did get it done.
I told you, I'm not gonna waste my day.
I know, he was like, we're not wasting today. I'm like, I mean, we could go relax right now. He's like, no, we're doing something.
Well, it's not raining for once, right?
What knife?
Yeah. Here, you be in charge of pushing it under there, like that, and I'll tighten. This side of it, push that in. What are you doing, man?
I don't know. I can't see you or something.
Remember, never let a woman work on your car. Hold that.
This is how we abuse people.
Careful, people are gonna say, "Oh my God, you treat your women so badly." See, you did
Stupid
the same
man.
thing. Why didn't you put it over here if it's
Okay.
gonna twist so much?
Is that a
that
problem?
Okay, put everything together. See if it turns on first before we move on.
Wanna move your blonde head out of the way? Thanks.
Oh.
Look at that.
Opa.
Thanks, too.
Where's my
Me.
Oh. Okay, watch out. I want to take a picky of it. Actually, I'll take that side because that's
Can you take the pic of it after when it's done, please?
Everyone takes
2 seconds ago, literally fucking. Oh, I don't want to do this. Literally, that's what he was saying. I'm not lying.
Who's texting me?
By the way, did Johnny ever respond to you? Because I showed Allie the paragraph you sent.
Look at these guys. The project's not done yet, but then they're fucking already taking pictures.
Story things.
I already did it.
Let's see Maya's beautiful tape job. Wow.
Okay, do one here.
Give her a round of applause, everyone.
Round of applause, bitches. Do you want me to? do
Yeah,
this one?
that one's cut and the blue one's cut as well.
Okay.
So I'll tape those guys up. TJ, stay still, stay still. Let me see that. What is this, a custom sweater? Never before seen, adjusted crew?
What is this, an ass?
These aren't ass, bro?
No, it's... Oh my god! What is this?
It's a clump.
It's a jungle.
That should not work.
Oh, they're on.
No, they're not.
Fucking asshole.
That's your problem.
That. It does the HDR thing. I don't want it to.